Okay, I've never shot in this angle and I love it. I didn't introduce the vlog. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my girl Babyyytee, the baby with the triple by the T with the double E. Hey, before we get into the real deal of this video, please click on the red subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Ooh, and don't forget to ring that bell, turn on those post notifications so that you can be notified every time I drop another video. This is Babyyytee story. So welcome to a new vlog. Today we're being that girl, you know, it's a being that girl vlog. We're not pretend, we're actually putting your mind into it. Put your mind into it and do it. So let me apply my lip gloss. So first things first, I woke up earlier than ever. If I'm not going anywhere, I'm not gonna wake up early, but today I did. I went to the gym. Now I just collected my order. I'm gonna give you a haul for that. Why is food so expensive? Anyways, I got all the milk, so yeah. Snacks, because I got this muffin mix. Because tell me, why did my egg break? Mixes. This one is vanilla ginger, because these are gonna get into the wheat oil as well. So, and I got that. I got spinach as well. So hi guys, I'm currently watching Emily in Paris. I don't know how I got to season 4. I don't know how I got there, but I got there. So I'm supposed to do my laundry and yeah, basically that's ready for nothing, for just to sit here, and I have to eat my breakfast of course. So OOTD, let me show you my OOTD first. Staying home OOTD. So this is my OOTD. This top from Asipi's wardrobe, shorts from my sister's wardrobe, this socks from Bounce. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Please go watch Dubai Bling, because the drama, if you love drama, like I'm so hooked, because these people just told me why on a random morning you go out with your friends and then you see this necklace that is worth like 10 mil and you buy it. Oh, Father God, from my mouth to your ears. Guys, my package is here and I was about to upload a vlog, so I'm uploading a vlog today. Wait, let me go, let me go. Wait, hell no, I need to sit down. So, I can't believe this. Randomly yesterday I was in the bathroom and then I just opened, I just opened Amazon and then I saw it, like immediately when I opened the app I saw it and I was like, I'm just gonna get it, and I got it. Mind you, I've never ordered on Amazon. I don't know if I trust them. I don't know what's inside. Maybe there's a snake, but okay, but now I wanna unbox for you guys, and the color that I wanted is box. What did I just do, guys? What did I just do? Oh, so freaking confused. So this is what I got. But now I'm not gonna cry. I don't know how to react. Like I basically don't. Guys, what if I am currently dreaming and it is here. I don't even have a pouch. Things I do overnight. Tell me why last year I had to buy this like 500 rand for this. They could have just given it to me. Duh. What the hell is happening? Someone fill me in, please. And I just set this up and I don't know, I'm gonna open it but I'll have to close it at the same time because I don't have my pouch. I don't have anything right now, so I have to, because I know myself, I'm just gonna drop it. Oh my gosh, I'm panicking. And I still have a laundry soaked and like thank you to my mom. I have the space off now. And my mom like mistakenly sent hand washing soap. Well, it's not a mistake. She sent it because they had them. Friends went back home. Like my friends that I usually call, they went back home. My roommate is not here. Like who do I call? Who do I get excited? Yeah, who do I get excited about? But I'm gonna call my mom now and show her that I've been waiting for that. Anyways, let's try to open this. I'm so scared. One thing I fear the most is dropping something. Ooh, okay, pretty girl. Okay, pretty girl. Unbelievable. This is so unbelievable. I'm trying to process this. Oh, my fingerprints already there. Wait a second. Now I really buy this. Okay, it's written baby. Say hi to iPad cam. Say hi. Guys. Oh, say hi. Say hi. Let me take my first picture. Let me show you. Look at that, it's so cute. So I need to call my mom. Don't even know what to say to myself. I'm proud of myself. If you want it, it's. Yeah. Anyways. my love.
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale once upon a time. But I be goddamn if
Hi guys, it's another day. So this is what I'm having. I made like chicken livers and spinach and eggs because I'm craving for that. Like I wasn't craving for any cereal, I was craving for this, so I'm just gonna eat now. Do I actually need a reason to look good? Because I feel like I look good. Look at this. Look at how cool this is. Ooh, cha. Ooh, cha. Ooh, cha. You know what sucks? Is that my Wi-Fi does not connect in this room. I don't know why. But this what I'm wearing. This my face. You know. I need to go now. I'm going to the mall. I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick. This is my coat or today. Okay guys, yeah. So guys, I did not forget to vlog for you at the mall. I did think about it, but but my phone was on like 15%. So okay, let me tell you what happened. So I went to school, right, for the school shuttle. We waited about 30 minutes. It did not come. Like literally it did not come. I went to them, I was like, guys, are you going to the mall? And they were like, yes, we're going to the mall. And then not the mall I'm initially going to, but the other mall that's in here that I don't like. So I was like, okay, cool, I can just go, because the only thing I wanted was buy, right? Sharp. That mall closes at 6. Most of the shops were closed, and it was 17:57 when I got there. So I went to Pep first to look for the computer. I asked her, what time do you guys close? And then she was like, we are literally closed now. And when I check the time, it's 6. I'm like, I'm just gonna show you what I got from the mall. It's not something big or deep, so pretend as if you didn't see that. So trust me, I'm not gonna buy any more KFC. Okay, this is the last one, because this is the last one for the whole month, for the whole of April. This you saw was my roll on, and I said I got this. I'm not gonna, and I got a new toothbrush because unboxing, I swear this is the last one. Okay, another unboxing. Oh. Toodles, how are you? Oh, holy yes! I just saw my Bible. Finally have a Bible. Oh my word! I thought it was gonna be dark, but I love this color. The color. My pen, but yeah, there's literally no space for my pen, and I don't like freaking cute. Guys, it looks so freaking cute. Last thing is this. I finally got a tripod. I don't know why being like, look, I'm no longer holding my phone. And I'm no longer putting my phone there. We have a tripod in this house, so I'm using it to record right now. So respect me, please. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my number. Anyways, anyhow, I really enjoyed doing doing this vlog, guys. I really enjoyed. I feel like it was the most vlog that I loved, and it really touched my heart. Let me go look for my pen actually, because I feel like my pen will take a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know when am I gonna get my dye.